Using paper on air pollution, the effect of using paper on air pollution and respiratory health by Hana Shalabi, Farah and Rimas.
Effect on air pollution. Trees are cut down and go through many chemical processes to become paper. During these processes, many harmful gases including carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2, and many other greenhouse gases, which can cause acid rain and global warming, are emitted. In addition to that, cutting down trees automatically increases the amount of CO2 present in the atmosphere. Due to the fact that times trees use the CO2 in our breathing air to use for photosynthesis and provide themselves with proper nutrition. This makes the amount of oxygen in our air much greater, which is much better for our respiratory health. Also, despite the fact that recycling used paper is supposed to be good for our environment, it can actually have various negative effects as well. For instance, recycling used paper calls for a process called de-inking, where the ink is removed from the paper, producing a substance called sludge as a byproduct. This sludge often ends up in landfills and pollutes the land surrounding it.
Okay. All right, go to the next slide.
So this is our page, air pollution. Never smoke, it will kill your lungs. At Hashim Ramoush, and by the way, I'm Ali and Sanad Al-Iyadi. So we showed our what is it about and why you should not do it. So Miss, first thing we have what are the effects of car smoke? made by Ali and Hashim and Sanad. Why is it so laggy? How does car smoke cause air pollution? Cars, trucks, and buses powered by fossil fuels, are a major contribute to air pollution. While this air pollution carries significant risks for human health and the environment, though clean vehicles and fuel technologies, we can scientifically reduce emissions from our cars and trucks and help transform transportation. How do you know that car smoke causes air pollution? A car exhaust emits hydrocarbons at a toxic compound, and hydrogen and carbon. When fuel burns, nitrogen and oxygen react with each other and no form nitrogen oxide. That stands for NOx. Particulate matter, small particles of foreign substance in the air, contribute to atmosphere haze and can damage people's lungs.
All the activities that cause air pollution. Most of the activities, wildfire, climate change, agriculture activities, burning fossil fuels, indoor air pollution, industrial emissions, human activities.
Smoking and diseases that affect affects. Smoking, the act of inhaling and exhaling the fumes of burning plants material. A variety of plant material are smoking, including marijuana and hashish or something. But the act is most commonly associated with tobacco, as smoked in cigarette, cigar, or pipe. When a person smokes, a dose of nicotine reaches the brain within about 10 seconds. At first, nicotine improves mood and concentration, decrease anger and stress, relaxes muscles. Yeah, you get the point. Cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Smoking also increases risks of tuberculosis, certain eye disease, and problems of immune system, including that. And that is our citation.
Wow, fully prepared, you guys. It's a marvelous job there.
Thanks. Oh, no.
Should we finish?
Yes.
Okay.
Climate change caused farming, deforestation, fertilizers, oil drilling, natural gas drilling, permafrost, power plants, transportations.
Why is climate change so important? Why it's important? Climate affects nearly every aspect of our lives, from our food sources to our transport infrastructure, or that, from what clothes we wear to from where we go to holiday. It has a huge effect on our livelihoods, our health, and our future. Climate is the long-term pattern of weather conditions in any particular place.